Hi, I'm here again to do another review for Real Reviews India team. And what I picked up today is, they told me you've done this, that and everything, and why don't you pick up something that you really like. So I picked up this from my vanity case, and this is a magic product. I call this, the best product that I have. I don't step out, without this one. What this is mineral makeup from L'Oreal. I think before I come to what this really is, I'll explain to you, what we've traditionally seen our mothers or our aunts, wear as makeup. We've seen all of them use, classically, I think everyone wore a foundation on their face, and then, they sort of lightened the whole thing by using, a little bit of, what was it called? I think a compact. And what I felt when, a lady slightly, before our generation did that was that the whole thing made their face look a little artificial. So I did experiment with the foundation compact kind of thing, but it didn't work very well for me. So then I finally moved to this one, and I found this product about a year and a half ago. And how this works is, this is mineral makeup. It's nothing but really fine grains of it's like a dust. It's like small particles that go inside your skin and make it look absolutely even toned. So how it works is, what I do is I use a concealer. I think the concealer that I use is from Lakme. So you use the concealer and really conceal your under eye dark circles or any other blemishes that you might have, any pimple scars that you have. And after that, what you have to do is, it's very easy, though this product is available in the market, but nowhere on the case it says how do you really use it. So the best way to use it is, you just have to open it. You have the brush and you have the dust in your, or the product in your hand. What you have to do is just slightly put this down here, and whatever, you will have a whole lot of product on the brush. So what you have to do is really dust it a little bit like this, maybe 3 strokes. And what you can do then is really conceal everything from your face with this, something like this. And what you have to do is be very careful with areas around your lips and areas under your eyes, because those areas tend to be darker than the rest of your face. And once you've done that, I think you're ready to go. The good thing that I like about this product is that since it makes your whole face look really natural, everything else that you apply after your makeup base looks very nice. So whether you wear a blush on after that, or an eyeshadow, or whatever it is, it looks really natural. I wear this product every day to work as well. And so how it helps is, the kajal or the a black eyeliner that I wear every day and a slight blush on makes your face look fresh, alive, at the same time not very made up, not very attention seeking. Slightly more on the expensive side, because a bottle of this size costs about 1100 bucks. I think I finish one bottle in about 6 months to 7 months. One problem, if you can see, I don't know if the camera can catch this, but the lower part where the product is stored, the way the packaging has been done, the box tends to have certain cracks. So the last time I did not finish my bottle, what really happened was that the bottle broke. I think also, the last time I was around, I think there's also Revlon who's making a similar product. But I like this one because the bottle is bigger, and because the bottle is bigger, the brush seems to be of slightly a bigger size. So it's very easy to apply on your face, whereas the Revlon bottle is slightly smaller. But I do remember, a friend of mine telling me that she prefers to buy that one because the bottle is stronger. So, it's easy to carry around when you're traveling, or even when you have to put it in your bag. So that is one reason that people are not buying this product. So maybe people who are manufacturing this, if they know it, they can do something about it. The good thing is, if you walk into a lifestyle or a shopper stop, you don't really have to buy it to try it. So you can just walk on to the makeup section. There are women there, and I have learned really from them, the L'Oreal consultants and things like that, on how to really use the product to the best of your advantage. Another thing is that there are 2, 3, 4 variants and shades that come in this product. So the one that I buy is beige. I think it's called Honey Glow or something, but they have something which is for a fairer complexion, and they have one tone which is for a complexion which is slightly darker than mine. So you can go there, check the product, check the shade that suits you, and be your good natural self and walk around full in confidence.